Hello everyone. Now this logics in that dual I have completed in the earlier video. Now I have to complete negation. Negation is also important topic, but as I have told you one video that I will leave it to you, negation and duals. But there had been some queries regarding this negation. So okay, I am going to take it. What is negation? Say suppose Mangal is a man. What is the negation of it? Mangal is not a man. This is the negation. Don't say grammatically Mangal is not a woman. Don't say. We don't know man or woman or what he is. That we don't know. Mangal is a man. The negation is Mangal is not a man. In mathematics, how it is written? Let P is Mangal is a man. Is a man. Therefore, negation is negation P. For such questions, we have to write in the verbal form also. That is in verbal form. That is Mangal is not a man. This is the verbal form of the negation. If the statement is given, both the things we have to write. Say suppose it is stated Mangal is a man and Mangala is a woman. We have to make the negation of this. So how it is written in the mathematical logical form? Let P denotes Mangal is a man. Is a man. Q Mangala is a woman. Logical form is logical statement. Is P and Q. Mangal is a man and Mangala is a woman. Its negation is negation P and Q. This is nothing but this is if I want to distribute this negation over each, then this will become negation P and will become or negation Q. So what is the verbal form? Verbal form is negation P is Mangal is not a man. Mangal is not a man. And this is or Mangala is not a woman. This is a compound statement. For this, you have to remember this. If I distribute this negation, then it will become or instead of and it will become or. This you have to remember it very well. Otherwise you will write Mangal is not a man and Mangal is not a woman. This is wrong mathematically. So remember this very well. So negation can be divided into different headings. Negation of simple statement, negation of compound statement, negation of disjunction means or, negation of single implication, negation of double implication, negation of the quantifiers. These are the headings. On that we will throw some light. So I have some notes with me. The first, negation of conjunction. One, negation of compound statements. In that compound statements and or. So first, negation of conjunction. Negation of conjunction means and. We have seen that number one, negation of P and Q is negation P and Q, that is equivalent to negation P or negation Q. Don't forget this. Number two, Earth is a planet and Moon is a satellite. Earth is a planet and Moon is a satellite. Moon is a satellite. So in the symbolic form I have to write, let P, Earth is a planet. Q, Moon is a satellite. The logical form, symbolic form is P and Q. Its negation is negation P and Q. Here we can't stop, we have to go ahead. That is nothing but negation P or negation Q. And again the verbal form, that also I have to write, Earth is not a planet. Earth is not a planet. This is or. Moon is not a satellite. Moon is not a satellite. This way you have to go while doing this. Now the negation of disjunction. B heading. B, negation of disjunction. disjunction. Disjunction means or. Negation of P or Q is negation P or Q, means it will be negation P and R will be converted into and. Don't forget this. Earth is a planet. Here I will say or. Moon is a satellite. So let P is Earth and the symbolic form will be P or Q and the negation will be this and this sign will change into and. So what is the verbal form? Earth is not a planet and. So here it will become and. These are just the small changes while doing this. So hope you have understood this. So negation of negation. Negation of negation. Negation, I will give you a very good example. Negation of negation is a statement itself. How it is that we will see from some examples. The example is, say suppose we say Sham Shahana Nahi. We say Sham Shahana Nahi. This is the negative statement. Now its negation Sham Shahana Nahi Asa Nahi. म्हणजे negation will make the proper statement. दोनदा नाही म्हटलं की हो म्हणतं, हो होतं असं आपण मराठीत म्हणतो त्या पद्धतीने negation of negation is a statement itself. Is a statement itself. So let us see one example of this. First one, negation of P and Q. Negation of negation P and Q, that is equivalent to P and Q. Second example I will take. P is a statement, sugar is not sweet. Sugar is not sweet. Its negation will be negation P, sugar is, sugar is sweet. This is a positive statement. Negation of this will be sugar is not sweet. Sugar is not sweet. This will be the negation of it. Negation of negation P. That is, it is not the case that is equal to P. But how to read this? It is not the case that this is not. It is not the case that sugar is not sweet. That sugar is not sweet. It is not the case that sugar is not sweet. Means what? Sugar is sweet. That is equal to P, sugar is sweet. negation of negation is P, means sugar is sweet. दोनदा नाही म्हटलं की एकदा हो होतं. हे आपलं मराठीतलं वाक्य पाठ ठेवा. Now negation of conditional. Second heading, negation of conditional. Conditional means what? Implies. That is nothing but implication. First is P implies Q. This is the single implication. So by the truth table we have seen that P implies Q is nothing but negation P or Q. If I prepare the truth table of P implies Q, it is in the switching circuit, it is just same like this, negation P or Q. Prepare the truth table of this, prepare the truth table of this, and truth tables would be same. P implies Q, truth table, and negation P or Q, truth table will be same. So P implies Q is equivalent to negation P or Q. Remember this very well. So therefore, I want to do the negation. Negation P implies Q is nothing but negation of this negation P or Q. That is equal to, I will distribute this negation. If I distribute this negation of negation P will get cancelled and P or will become and negation Q. So you have understood this. Now double implication, that also I will take. Second one, P double implication Q is equal to. Now see this way, P implies Q. What is the meaning of this P implies Q? This. In the switching circuit I have to convert it. P implies Q is negation P or Q. And Q implies P and. Now Q implies P, what is the meaning of this Q implies P? You have understood this, I will make it very clear. P implies Q and Q implies P. That is the meaning of this. This is clear. Now what is this P implies Q? This is equivalent to P implies Q is negation P or Q. पहले वाले का negation or Q. This is and. Q implies P. पहले वाले का negation Q. Then or and the second switch P. Hope it is clear to you. Now I want to do the negation of P double implication Q. Why I am teaching this topic is because in the textbook the students are getting confused. Negation of this I am doing this, nothing but this. So negation of this whole I will do negation of this whole thing, negation P or Q and negation Q or P. Now I will distribute this. If I am going to distribute this for this and this will become or. This will be changing. Don't forget this. I am distributing this for this negation P or Q. This and will become or. Negation negation Q or P. See that still I have not distributed this negation over this. When I am going to distribute this negation over this, this will become and, this will become and, this negation will get cancelled. So that is equivalent to, now I am distributing this, negation of negation P is P, or will become and, this negation of Q, or negation Q will get cancelled, means Q, or will become and negation P. This way you have to remember this very well. So don't forget this at all. So hope you have done with me. While writing I am coming in between. So okay, I'll rub this. Third, if more trees are planted, if more trees are planted, then we get greenery around us. We have to make the negation of this. If more trees are planted, here this statement, now see that this is a very important statement, because such type of the questions will be asked for 2 marks. If more trees are planted, comma, we get greenery around us. We get greenery around us. If there is comma, it is understood that there is then also. If more trees are planted, comma, we get more greenery, or we get greenery around us, that means this, if it is comma over there, the meaning of that comma would be there. Means this is if then. So we have to write it in the statement form. Let P, more trees are planted, more trees are planted. Q, we get greenery around us. We get greenery around us. Therefore, so what will be the mathematical form in the logics? How we will get? Therefore, the statement in logic is the statement in logical form. Logic form is P implies Q, isn't it? Because it is if then. If P, then Q. Now I have to do the negation. Negation P implies Q is equal to negation. Now P implies Q is what? Instead of writing this straightway, we know that P implies Q is equal to negation P or Q. This is the equivalent, because the truth table for this and truth table for this is same. Negation of this cannot be done. Negation of this is done. Therefore, now negation of this, what it will come is negation of P implies Q is equivalent to negation of negation P or Q, that is equivalent to, now distribute this, negation will get cancelled, P, R will become and negation Q. So this way, don't forget this at all. So more trees are planted. P is what? More trees are planted. So this statement, verbal form also we have to write. More trees are planted. More trees are planted. This is and but are not different in logics. I can write this also, and. Negation Q is happening. We don't get greenery around us, but we don't get greenery around us. See this. First of all, the statement is P implies Q. P implies Q, the meaning is negation P or Q. Now I have to do the negation of this, that means negation of this. Distribute this negation will get cancelled. R will become and negation Q. So meaning verbal form of this is what? P, more trees are planted. P, more trees are planted. This is and we don't get greenery around us. But while saying, we say but. That's why but is put. But if you write and, then also it is absolutely correct, no doubt of it. Okay. Now we will see the next topic, the third one, negation of the statement pattern. That also can be asked for 2 marks. Third heading, negation of statement pattern. Statement pattern. A statement is given. P or negation Q or negation P and negation Q. We have to write the negation of this solution. Negation this P or negation Q. This is or negation P and negation Q is equivalent to is. Now what I will do, I will distribute negation for this and for this. I am not entering inside the brackets, but only entering inside the big bracket. So this negation I will put here, this negation I will put here. While doing that, between there is one disjunction or it will get converted to and. So negation this P or negation Q or will become and negation P and negation Q. See this negation is distributed for this and for this. While doing that, between there is one disjunction that I have changed to and. Now this is what, now I will distribute this. While distributing this will become negation P, this will become Q. Negation will get cancelled and this or will get converted to and. So negation P, this will become and this will become Q. And this negation will be distributed over here. P, negation cancel, and will become R. And this negation will also get cancelled. Q. So this is the equivalent last statement of this. So I will drop this. Now the last topic, negation of quantified statements. Quantified means quantity. Regarding the quantity, the numbers, negation of quantified statement. Negation of quantified statements. Number 1, all natural numbers are integer. Natural numbers are integers. Answer, the negation of this will be, some natural numbers are not integers. Some natural numbers are not integers. Or not all natural numbers are integer. Or not all NaNo's means natural numbers are integers. All natural numbers are integers. I want to make it a negative. Negation of this. All are natural numbers opposite. Not all natural numbers are integers. Means all the natural numbers are not integers. That is a very simple statement. Or some numbers are there which are not natural numbers. Some natural numbers are not integers. Or there exists a natural number. There